In front of me is XIAOMI 17T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then use this plus at the bottom right one and set up an hour. When you finished, hit repeat and pick one of those repeat options. If you decided to select once, you can go back and use this option called delete after alarm goes off to turn it on. If you want to use it more than once, tap on one of those. Daily, Monday to Friday, shift alarms where you can adjust each one however you want to. Or my favorite, customize. Here, tap on days of the week you wanna apply. When you're ready, go back. Click on ringtone. Select one of those melodies. Hit got it. And go back again. If you want to, you can also choose all ringtones. Tap on pre-installed ones available here. And either choose apply next to one of those and hit OK, or tap on this plus at the bottom right corner, pick any song from your smartphone from one of those sound sources, tap on it and hit apply right next to it. Then choose OK again and go back. If you wish to, you can manage this switcher next to vibrate when alarm sounds to disable or enable haptic feedback, and tap on label to name it. When you finished with all of that, use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. To turn it on or off, use this switcher right next to it. If you want to edit it, click on it, choose additional settings and change whatever you wish. Then tap on the same checkmark. If you want to delete it, hold it and tap on delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!